Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. The perimeter of a trapezoid with height 5 cm is 26 cm. If the sum of non-parallel sides is given as 18 cm, then the area of the trapezoid is what? So first of all, let us draw a trapezoid. So if ABCD is a trapezoid, then its height, this AO is its height. So it is given that the height AO of this trapezoid is 5 cm and also the perimeter is given as, and perimeter here is AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. So this is given as 26 cm. Let this be first equation. And also sum of the non-parallel side. Non-parallel side is AD and BC. So this sum is given as 18 cm. Let this be second equation. So from this first and second equation we can say that AB plus CD plus, let's club BC and AD together. So this is 26. So from equation 2 we can say BC plus AD is 18 cm. So let's substitute that. So after substituting we will get AB plus CD as 26 minus 18. So 26 minus 18 is 8 cm. So here we get AB plus CD, that is sum of the parallel side, as 8 cm. Now what we have to find out is area of trapezoid. So here the area of trapezoid will be equal to half multiplied by sum of the parallel side, here AB plus CD, multiplied by its height, height is AO. So half multiplied by sum of the parallel side, AB plus CD is given as 8 cm, multiplied by AO, AO is height, that is given as 5 cm. So the unit of area is centimeter square here. So this area will be equal to 4 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 20 centimeter square. Therefore, we can say that the area of trapezoid is 20 centimeters square. So this is our answer.